Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and you are also enjoying and learning from our playlist of previous year question series of each chapter in CBSE Class in Physics. Now I brought you one more video. In this video, I am going to show you ammeter, voltmeter and explain how to use them and connect them in circuit diagram. You might have seen this equipment in diagrams like this in the textbook. But you might have seen or you might have not seen them in the real world, how they look like and how to use them. So without wasting time, let us dive into the video. So this is the constructive or circuit diagram of ammeter. This one will be the constructive or circuit diagram of voltmeter. How do they look like in the real world? This will be the voltmeter and this one will be the ammeter or ammeter. This voltmeter has two terminals. See, this is positive and this is negative. The red one will be termed as positive terminal. Black one will be termed as negative terminal. How to connect wires to this one? See, if we loosen this one, this will come out and here we can keep wire like this. One second. Here we can keep wire like this. And we can tighten it like this. This is how we connect voltmeter in any circuit diagram. One wire I fixed here. In the same way we can fix wire here also. For the second terminal also we can fix the wire and we can tighten it and we can connect this voltmeter to any circuit diagram. And this ammeter also same. This is the positive terminal and this one will be the negative terminal. See here, ammeter has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. This ammeter also has two terminals. This is positive and this is negative. How to connect wires to this one? See here also same thing. If we loosen this one, we will get some gap. Here we will insert some wire and we will just twist it around and we will tighten this one. Then what happens? Wire get fixed. In the same way here also. Like how the wire got fixed here. In the same way we can connect wires to any of the four terminals. Right? And these all will be made of plastic. And there is a plastic glass only, not glass. Not made of perfect glass. It's a transparent plastic. Now, and we all know that ammeter should be always connected in series and voltmeter should be always connected in parallel. Why? Because voltmeter has the maximum resistance and ammeter has the very minimum resistance. Now, let us find the least count of this voltmeter and ammeter. Formula for least count is value of one main scale division divided by total number of divisions. Children will get confused in solving problems of this least count very frequently. But it is very easy. I don't know why they'll get confused. I'll give you complete clarity how to find least count first. Then we'll go to the solving problems. Before finding least count of voltmeter and ammeter, let us find least count of this scale. Okay na? What is least count? Least count will be equal least count of scale. Value of one main scale division. What is the value of one main scale division here? 15 centimeters is the scale present here. Value of one main scale division will be 1 centimeter. Correct? So from here to here, this is the value of one main scale division. How much it is? 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter divided by total number of divisions. Within this 1 centimeter, how many divisions do we have? 10 divisions. Correct? So divided by 10. So 1 centimeter divided by 10, it is 0.1 centimeter. Nothing but 1 millimeter. So the least count of this scale is 1 millimeter. Okay na? Clear. So now let us find out the least count of ammeter or voltmeter. Let us find least count of ammeter. Where do children get confused? Here. Value of one main scale division. Value of one main scale division will not be constant for all meters. Okay na? So let us find the least count of ammeter first. Okay na? Right. See, if you look at this, this is an ammeter, right? So now, what is the value of one main scale division here? 1 amperes. 1 ampere. So least count of ammeter, this is equal to 1 ampere divided by how many number of divisions are there? 10 divisions will be there. There will be 10 divisions. So 1 divided by 10. That will be is equal to 0.1 ampere. Now let us find least count of voltmeter. Least count of voltmeter. How to find this one? That is equal to value of one main scale division. What is the value of one main scale division here? Value of one main scale division is 2 volts. Correct? It is going to be 2 volts divided by how many number of divisions are there here? You can count if you need. There will be totally 10 divisions are there. Correct? So 2 divided by 10. That is equal to 0.2 volts. So least count of this voltmeter is 0.2 volts and least count of this voltmeter is 0.1 ampere. 0.1. After knowing about this least count of the voltmeter, ammeter this much clearly, let us solve a question that was asked in the board examination in the previous year questions. What they asked to find, this is a meter. Whether it is a voltmeter or ammeter, that is not our concept or concern. So what we have to study, what we have to find here is that we have to find the least count of this meter and also we have to find what is the reading it is indicating. See, what is the least count now? We know the least count formula is value of one main scale division divided by total number of divisions. What is the value of one main scale division here? 1.5. Correct? 1.5 is the value of one main scale division. So least count is equal to 1.5 divided by total number of divisions. How many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.5 divided by 10. It is a 0.15. So 0.15 is the least count of this meter. If they have given here V, see then they give V. 0.15 volts. See. Now we have to find what is this reading it is indicating. Least count is 0.15. What does it mean? It means from 0 to first division, it will represent 0.15 volts. From here to here 0.15 means from here to here also 0.15 only. Anywhere throughout the scale, the measurement that this pointer indicates from here to here, from one division to another division will be 0.15 only. So now we have to measure what is the reading here. From here to here 1.5 over, and from here to here 0.15, and from here to here 0.15. 0.15 plus 0.15, it will be 0.3. Until here 1.5, correct? And from here to here 0.15, from here to here 0.15. 1.5 plus 0.3. So the reading will be 1.5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. It is going to be 1.5 plus 0.3. It is 1.8 volts. So reading is 1.8 volts and the least count is 0.15 volts. 0.15 volts the least count, 1.8 is the reading. See, here is the answer, 0.15 volts and 1.8 volts.